and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can simply contact Venmo if any problem occurs in your account. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, you need to go in a web browser and type in the Venmo contact us URL, which is http://venmo.com/contact us/. So after you do so, you will be redirected to this kind of interface. Now all you need to do is press on the help us button. Then here you can find the contact us button, which you need to press again. Once you do so, you will end up in this interface where you need to fill in all your details for further contact. Now simply you need to fill in your full name, your phone number which is linked to your Venmo account, your email address, and all the problems you are facing in your Venmo account. Finally, you have to click on the submit button, and this is how you can simply contact your Venmo support. I hope this video was really helpful to you all, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.